Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm doing a quick review, and when I say quick, y'all, I mean quick. A quick review on this hair that you see right here, and so let's just jump right into it. So this review is a little different. This time I'm doing a review on these crochet braids that you see right here and not a wig. So let's jump right into all these deets. These crochet braids are courtesy of ZURY Hollywood. So they were kind enough to send me these braids that you see right here, and so I'm gonna jump right into what's the name, their details, and then I'll tell you my opinions, my feelings afterwards. So these are the Neon Box Glow Pastel glow in the dark braids. Yes, y'all, these glow in the dark. They are 25 inches long, so I can't even get 25 inches on my camera, but I'll show you like this. Look at that. So yes, they are 25 inches. It says it's crochet braid. It's a natural style and texture. It's 100% hand braided. It's a protective style. It's a special color, glow in the dark, and it's a special box braid. And so this is what the stock card looks like. So now let's jump into my feelings and everything about this hair, y'all. I feel like ZURY's trying to test me, y'all. I feel like they said, you like a challenge, and you know, we send you things to challenge you and you accept the challenge. This challenge, y'all, I think it beat me. It got me because I can't accept this challenge. I just can't. When I opened the box and I saw this hair, I was like, what am I supposed to do with this? What am I supposed to do with this? And the fact of the matter is, I was trying to give my 15-year-old daughter these braids, and my 15-year-old daughter was like, what am I gonna do with this? What am I gonna do with this? So yeah, I am strictly doing this video out of love, y'all. My love for y'all, that I once sat through getting my hair done. So my 15-year-old daughter, she was happy to put them in my hair, you know, not to put them in her own hair, but to put them in my hair. And so she did them for me. And I tried to get them to look the best that I could. We tried to get them the best, but it just does not feel at home with me, you know? It might feel at home with somebody else, and if this is your cup of tea, then absolutely. But like I told you, I got, you know, responsibilities and business stuff and everything. I just can't be glowing in the dark, you know? It's one thing, the blue and pink and white pastel hair, it's one thing, but then to glow in the dark on top of that, let's just say I'm glad I went to the movies last night and not tonight, because they would be upset if I'm sitting in a movie theater just glowing and stuff, you know. But as far as a fun hairstyle and everything, it's definitely a fun hairstyle. I love the braids. Like if they were in a natural color, a 1B, I definitely would wear them, no problem, no issues, no muss, no fuss. I could definitely see myself, you know, putting the braids in, but this color right here, y'all, I don't know about it. I just don't know about it. So I just been rubbing on it because I'm just trying to get y'all to understand just how crazy these braids are. Like, they are something to see. So I tried to make just like a little bun up top. Nothing fancy. My daughter said I look even more like a unicorn. So yeah. On top of the fact that you can clearly see, like, my hair is out, like my edges is black. Ain't nothing I can do about it. Like, it's okay though. It's okay. But I'm going to end the video right here, you know, because there's not much I can say about it. If you like it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you don't like it, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. All the details will be at the bottom. I'm not sure if they have come out yet, but if they have, there should be a link down below where you can purchase them. So I will see you guys in my next video.
Yeah.